Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Python for beginners using YouTube. First, identify a YouTube channel offering structured Python tutorials for absolute beginners. Prioritize channels with complete playlists that guide you from installation to your first program. Make sure the content includes hands-on coding exercises and small projects, as active participation is key to understanding. Aim for at least 100 hours of dedicated practice. Once you have your learning path, dive into Python's core concepts. Focus on mastering variables, different data types, and fundamental operators. Dedicate significant time to practicing control flow statements, such as if-else conditions and various loop types. Understanding how to define and call functions is also crucial for writing organized and reusable code. Aim for 20 to 30 minutes of daily coding practice. After grasping the basics, it is time to expand your skill set. Begin exploring object-oriented programming, which is fundamental for larger applications. Actively work on small projects, perhaps building a simple calculator or a text-based game to apply your knowledge. Also, start learning about popular Python libraries like NumPy for numerical operations or Pandas for data analysis. This practical application is vital. To truly master Python, continuous learning is essential. Regularly review and reinforce concepts you have already learned to ensure they stick. Actively engage with the broader Python community through online forums, social media groups, or local meetups. This provides invaluable support. Stay updated with new Python features and best practices as the language evolves. Dedicate at least 1 hour weekly to new learning.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.